y'all, so ignore the fact that I am missing one contact. But just to start off my day, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, wash my face. I've already brushed my teeth, and then I'll be back when I'm done with all of that. Alright y'all, so since I've been in Kenya, my skincare routine has been quite simple. Face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's it. So out the shower, freshly out the shower, did my skincare. Skin is looking great. Ignore the little tan line. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'm not quite sure what I want to put on, but I think I have an idea. And yeah. Alright, and for the outfit, I decided to go with this simple orange dress just because it's easy to put on, easy to take off, and I'm probably gonna have to change just because it is my last day. I don't feel like wearing a dress with all this movement, all this carrying luggage, but I want to wear it while I'm here, so I put this on. Okay, so I decided to keep my makeup fairly light. Ignore that. That was my little makeshift tripod. But I decided to keep my makeup fairly light. I'm gonna go ahead, head down to the beach, take a walk, take him to the beach so he can play in the water. And yeah. One thing I know I'm gonna miss for real is this view. Oh my gosh, the fact that I gotta wake up to this every day. Chef's kiss. Okay, y'all, so good news. I thought we was gonna go back to the city after the lovely beach, but no, my mom was just saying how we're checking out at 1 and we're gonna have a different location to go to. So new friends, new people, new environment, and I'm just excited. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I've been walking for about 30-40 minutes, and so we're heading back to the hotel, and we're gonna go ahead and get some breakfast. Y'all, I'm back in the hotel building. The food they brought us, this was called the Swahili breakfast, was absolutely disgusting. It was so nasty, it's not even funny. And it's supposed to consist of bajia, samosas, and some other stuff, but it was nasty. Mind you, I've had these stuff on other occasions and they were good. It's just whoever made those don't know how to cook. That's the problem. So now what we're doing is we're finalizing packing so we can go ahead, head out, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit the stuff in the suitcase. See how it goes. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Lord have some mercy, bro. Oh my gosh. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. We're currently checking out of the hotel. I am going to miss being in here. I loved it so much. Everything about it was just spectacular for the most part. Y'all gonna have to give me a minute to get used to this camera stuff because If you know me in real life, I don't even talk like that. I've never used the word spectacular a day in my life. I apologize. I don't know why she's looking like that.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
So we've left our bags in the reception office and we've checked out of our hotel. We're on our way to get some breakfast because, like I said earlier, the breakfast we had was nasty.
This one I bet you will ja ba da. Me I no get time, da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me da ba da. Biggie man we do be where I ba da. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends.
Hey y'all, so we were walking in town, and in the midst of walking in town, my brother broke my shoe. So we are currently at this little shoe store trying to find some other shoes, but I don't like any of the sandals they have, and these were the sandals I brought for my trip. These were the sandals I brought for my trip. So that being said, we're looking at some other ones, but like, these aren't cute. These aren't cute. I really don't even want these.
These are comfortable. These aren't even bad, bro. These
It's
good.
whatever.
These are comfortable. I don't know what you're talking about. I wear these.
One thing I do love about Kenya is they got absolutely everything. I kid you not, we walked out the store, walked 2 blocks, and found somebody fixing shoes. So he cut my shoe open and then glued it. After he glued it, he just sewed it down, make sure it was secure. And yeah, the shoe came out perfectly fine. I mean, it was newer than new. Like, look at this shoe. Look at this shoe, bro. If only you really, really saw how it looked like beforehand. He really did his shit. So, like I said, we came to try some street food. That right there, I think it's some kind of candy. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but it's really, really good. They got different flavors, different colors. I prefer the darker red, but that one was still real good. Boy, whatever this was one of the best things I done ever ate. It looked like a taco, but it tastes better than a taco. I don't know what it is. It's called shamuya, shambari, I think, and it's so good. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so we're actually in the same hotel, just a different room. So this is it. And yeah, I guess we can take a tour together and just see what's up with it. So we're walking. Probably has the same layout. Yep. So there's the bathroom. Yeah, I don't like this one. I don't want to look at this. No. There's a bed. I don't like that bed either. Okay. This one isn't as bad, but I don't know. I'm probably just being picky. I acknowledge that I'm really just being harsh. The place is nice. It's just the views. The views aren't bad. It's just not what I had originally. But besides that, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got from the market while there. Hoping this camera's in frame. But I didn't get too much. I got 2 necklaces. And they're the same necklace. I just got them in different colors because when I switch my jewelry, I want the necklaces to match. And I've been wanting these since I came to Kenya last time. And I wanted them from Kenya, so I could say I got them from Kenya. It's dumb, but it'd be meaningful, kind of. So I'm gonna just put on this silver one that I have. Just because the jewelry I currently have on is silver. I took off the necklace I was wearing earlier.
When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, not be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life.
Okay, so boom, this is the necklace on. Once again, I hope I'm in the frame. Okay, so it is currently 9:15, and I've just been editing this whole time, y'all. At least trying, cause your girl don't know what she's doing. If I'm being honest with you, I know the lighting ain't the best, but if I'm being real and 100 with y'all, I was just crying on my Snapchat about how this is difficult. Cause no, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't ask me what I'm doing, cause I don't know what I'm doing, you know. But we're gonna go ahead and go down to breakfast. Ooh, I'm tired. Go down to dinner. And you know, eat.
Finish them won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. Don't come they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Popo. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my God be no wrong. But it ain't rush forever, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Time money we touch, yeah.
We ended up just taking the food back to our rooms because it's cold outside. I'm tired, I was falling asleep. I got some mashed potatoes and some like beef, mushroom, I don't know. And then my mom got fries and chicken. Then my brother's over there eating pizza.
Need it all, well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close.